What do you get if you rotate a shape by 1,000,000 degrees? Dizzy. Let's have a look at rotations. Is this a rotation? Well, if you look, it's the same way up, so it's definitely not a rotation. What about this? Well, yes, it's been rotated. And this one, yeah, it's been rotated. Let's have a look through these questions. In this question, we're asked to rotate shape A 180 degrees about the origin. Now, the origin is 0, 0, so it's right in the middle there. So, we're going to mark out the centre of rotation, which will be here. And we're going to put some tracing paper down, and we're going to trace out three things. We're going to trace out our shape. We're also going to show where the centre of rotation is, so a little X there, and we're going to just have an arrow going up, and this shows us when we have finished our rotation. Next, we're going to rotate by 180 degrees, which is half a turn, so we're going to keep rotating till that arrow points down. Now we can see roughly where our shape should be. Now, it might not always match up perfectly, but you can see roughly where it should be. So what you're going to do is hold the tracing paper on the left and lift it up to just mark out the points that it should be. And then you go join them up and have your rotated shape. In this question, we're asked to rotate shape A 90 degrees clockwise about the centre of rotation 2, 2. So we're going to start by marking out the centre of rotation at 2, 2. And we're going to put our tracing paper down and again draw the outline of the shape, the centre of rotation and an arrow going up. Now we're going 90 degrees clockwise, so we're going to stop when that arrow is pointing to the right. So let's do the rotation here. And you can see that it will end up here. And lift the tracing paper and try and draw the shape in, and you should get the shape here. In this question, we're asked to describe the single transformation from shape A to shape B. Now we can see clearly it's been rotated, but we need more than that. Remember, we need the direction, we need the angle, and we need the centre of rotation. So we're going to start by putting out our tracing paper onto the graph, and we're going to trace shape A, and we're going to have an arrow going up just so we can see the direction it's gone in. Now you can have a little play around and figure out where you need to put your pencil in order for it to go straight into B. And you can see the arrow's gone from pointing up to pointing left, therefore it's a 90-degree rotation going anti-clockwise. But where do you need to put your pencil to do that rotation? I'm going to try this point here, so I'm going to put the pencil here when I rotate, and that works perfectly. So the centre of rotation is at -2, -1, and we need to write this all out as a sentence. So it's a rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise around the centre of rotation -2, -1. And let's finish with this. A shape is rotated around its centre. Whichever angle is used, the shape remains the same. Find the name of the shape. If you know, let me know in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free GCSE papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger GCSE course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.